Hey, we're talking about exercises that get butchered in the gym. This one being the ab wheel rollout. So the ab wheel can be a pretty simple yet super effective way to train your anterior core. Or another way to think about it is an anti-extension exercise. So back extension is when we arch back. So an anti-extension exercise is where we're trying to resist that force pushing us back. So something we want to see with these type of movements, can be a push-up, a plank, an ab wheel rollout, is that the distance from your rib to your ASIS, the hip bone, as you go out to your plank or into the rollout, this distance doesn't get bigger, okay? So two keys here are kind of locking your ribs down with your abs and squeezing your butt really tight so that these 2 points come together and stay together. Okay, so I'm going to show you a correct ab wheel rollout. So before I even go out, I'm going to tuck my tail, squeeze my butt super tight, and as I go out, I'm not going to lose that position. Okay, so I go down and back up. As I develop more strength, I can get lower and hopefully touch my head and not lose. Okay, so what we don't want to see is as you go down, your back extends, and this is what I see probably 80% of the time when I'm in the gym watching somebody. So as they go down, their back arches, right? And that can put our back at risk for injury, but it's also not training as effectively this anti-extension moment, okay? So again, a correct ab wheel rollout. We're gonna have the wheel underneath our shoulders. We're gonna tuck our tail under and squeeze our butt super tight. We're not gonna let go of that on the way down. That's correct. Incorrect would be start, and then start to arch out. Right? We don't want to see that. So avoid that mistake with your ab wheel rollout. It can be a really effective old school tool to use. We use it in our training a lot. Thanks.